Finance practice exercises number 12. You wish to have $3,000 in 2 years to buy a fancy new stereo system. How much should you deposit each quarter into an account paying 8% compounded quarterly? Well, this is a rather dated question because that interest rate's pretty high. Usually stereo systems aren't what people are into so much these days. Well, regardless, we want to end up with the $3,000, and we're putting money into an account regularly, quarterly, so we're not making just one deposit. So this is going to be an annuity, a savings annuity. So as I mentioned, I want to end up with $3,000. We're looking for how much we're depositing. So we have 1 plus 800 divided by 4. Now we are depositing quarterly, so our N is 4 this time. So 2 years times that 4 for the quarterly is going to give us 8. Finish up the formula there. 800 divided by 4 in the denominator. So again, we will calculate this amount, okay? And you could either store it into a variable, or otherwise you can do 3,000 divided by and then what your answer was from here. Again, be careful, do not round, and just take it directly from your calculator without rounding. So what we get is $349.53.